Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the food recipe of the Heart Puppies Con Panna in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a collaboration with Maltese, and now we can unlock new exclusive food recipe, and one of them is Heart Puppies Con Panna like this. And to get this recipe is very easy. First, just tap on the club icon, this one, and then just go to the puppy gacha machine like this. Tap on it, and then just tap on exchange store like this, and then just scroll down until you find the Heart Puppies Con Panna like this. And then in here, to buy this recipe, you need 15 Maltese tokens. So make sure you already have the Maltese tokens. And if you don't know how to get the Maltese tokens, don't worry, I have already made a tutorial for that. So you can just check the link in the descriptions to watch the tutorial. And after that, after you have enough tokens, 15 tokens, just go tap purchase like this, and just like that you will get the new recipe of this disease, Heart Puppies Con Panna. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.